The screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The fitting of y is equal to ax raised to b. So whenever we have to put a curve in the form of a into x raised to b, what procedure we need to follow? So whenever we have this form of exponential curve, what we do is take log on both sides. Taking log, we have log y is equal to log ax raised to b. So log of, it is in the form of log ab, that is these two terms. Then you know the property, we'll write it as log a plus log b. So we'll split this as log a plus log x raised to b. A means a here, instead of b we have x raised to b. Okay. Now we'll go for again simplifying this. We can write for log x raised to b. This is in the form of log a raised to m. Yes. We write this as m log a. So here we'll go for b log x. Okay. Now we have log y is equal to log a plus b log x. We'll try to write it as a linear equation. For that, what you are going to do is, let capital Y is equal to log of small y, capital A is equal to log of small a, log of small a this is, and capital X is equal to log of small x. Now, what this equation becomes after substituting it in capital letters? Y is equal to log a means it is capital A, B is constant, log x means it is capital X. So we have y is equal to a plus bx. What does this represent? Y equal to a plus bx. Y equal to a plus bx. What does it represent?
Straight line equation.
Yes,
line equation.
Nothing but a straight line, and you are already, yes, you have already studied how to put a straight line. Okay. Now it is converted into a straight line. We'll write the what is it? Normal equations. The normal equations are. Can you tell what are the normal equations? What's the normal equation? First normal equation.
Summation of y equal to an plus b summation x.
Yes. B
Summation x y equal to a.
And the second normal equation. Yes. You have to multiply by capital X there. And first thing you remember is see that you will write your capital X and capital Y correctly. Otherwise, surely you will go wrong here. You are multiplying by X and taking over summation. So it is summation of XY. If you multiply by X, it becomes A into X versus A into summation of X. Then here you are multiplying by X again, it becomes B into summation of XY. Now these are the two normal equations. Now in this, you know next what you have to do, calculate all these is substituting and solving for A and B, we get the solution. That is substituting and solving, we get which values will you get? After solving these two, capital A and small b, right? Now what you are putting is, you are putting a curve in the form y is equal to a x raised to b. That means you want the value of small a, whereas you know the value of capital A. So what we have taken, capital A is equal to log of small a. We have taken this term. So from this, we again go back and find the value of A. This implies, what is A equal to? What is A equal to? small a equal to
e raised to a.
e raised to
Really?
yes, e raised to 10. By this, we come to know the value of small a. Already we know small b. Then we can write the values of, we can write the equation of the curve. Okay. So thus, we can have the curve y equal to a x raised to b. Okay, this is the procedure. See, in your textbook, if you are referring textbook, there are different forms given. Don't go for those. Other forms are, I think, a b raised to x is there, a e raised to bx is there. These forms were there earlier, but now they have skipped all these forms. Only y equal to a x raised to b is there for you. So see that you do only this form. Okay. So let us go for an example. Fit a curve of the form. Fit a curve of the form y is equal to a x raised to b by the method of least square. Given, take the values of x and y. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then corresponding values of y is 0.5, 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. 0.5, then 2, then 4.5, 8 and 12.5. So with this data, if you put a curve of the form y equal to a raised to b. Don't directly go for putting your table. First, write the normal equation. Then you will come to know what all values you need. Then you can go for writing your equations and whatever the table is necessary for you. Okay. So for that, first let us write the normal equation. Y is equal to ax raised to b, taking log. Otherwise, you will not come to know. If you don't by heart it, you may go wrong. So taking log y is equal to, I'll write directly, log a plus b into log x. Okay. Then let capital Y is equal to log y, capital A is equal to log a, and capital X is equal to log x. So what we have just implies capital Y is equal to capital A plus B into capital X. Now write the normal equation.
No, that is y equal to a small x raised to b or capital X raised to b?
No, small x. It should be small x. Equation will be in terms of small letters. No? When you write an equation, it will be in terms of small x. The normal equations are summation y is equal to n into a plus b into summation x, and summation xy is equal to a into summation x plus b into summation xy. What is the value of n? How many values are given to us? First, 5 values. Put the table. You know what all you need. You want capital Y, summation of capital Y, summation of capital X, summation of capital XY, then summation of capital X square. First we'll have X, Y, then capital X is equal to log X, capital Y is equal to log Y, and then we want X into Y and X square. the values in the table. Tell me the summation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values 0.5. Then we have 2, 4.5, 8, 12.5. Okay. Now go for log x value. Tell me the value. Log
Please take the page little bit up.
up. Tell me the Did you calculate the value? Anybody?
0.
Okay, log 1 is 0, of course. Then
0.3102.
sorry, can you tell me once again? Log 1 you are telling?
Yes, ma'am. 0.301.
0.301. Log of 4. Is right?
0.47.
47.
Others, all of you have got log 2 as 0.3010?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
0.653.
Good. This is not correct. This value is not correct. Those who have written this, you have tested log, not LAN. This log you have taken as log means it is log to the base e there, even though it is not written. To see that, you will take LAN while calculating in your calculator. Tell me the value of LAN 2.
0.6931.
Okay. 0.6931. Okay. Next value. See, when you have got this value of x, 1 second. When you got this value of x here, you have x square, right? So immediately multiply it by x and once again, or square it, just square it and tell me the value, so that we can fill both the columns at the same time. Otherwise, again you have to press 0.6931 square it, it takes time. When you have calculated x, square it.
0.480.
0.480.
0. Okay. Log 3.
1.098.
1.098.
6.
Okay. Square it.
1.3259. 1.3259.
325. Okay. A log of 4 now.
One 1.3862.
62 or 63?
629.
629 now, then you have to write 63. Square it.
2.664.
1.920.
1 point or 2 points?
2 point.
2 points.
6641.
Check it. Once
No,
again,
ma'am.
other
1.9218.
1.992.
simple calculation. Don't go for mistakes. 1.92.
180.
9218.
Okay. What about this? Log 5.
1.6094.
Okay. Square it.
1.5902.
90.
190.
9016.
Is it right? 1.6 square it is 1.90 and 1.3 square is about 1.92. How come?
2.5902.
See there.
2.5902.
2.59. Is it right? Okay. Now go for your y. Log of 0.5. LAN you have to put. Remember it.
Minus 0.6931.
Minus 0.6931. So once you have got the value of this y, multiply it by x and fill the next column. It's 0 here. Okay. Now line of 2. Already you have written 2, the same value it is. X and Y values are same, so that means we'll get 0.6931 and the square of it again is 0.4865. If I have written correctly, check once again, be quick with your answers. 4.5, log of 4.5.
1.5040.
1.50.
Okay, multiply it by x.
0.4805.
0 point or 1 point?
1.5040.
4041.
No, madam, that XY multiplication is 0.4805.
0.4805. Okay. Round off the values and tell me.
No, madam, second one.
This value.
Yes, ma'am. 4805.
Then here also it is 0.4805. Because you are multiplying the same one, no? X square or x square, because x and y are same. I wrote the same values and here also that's the same. Tell me the next values.
2.2623.
With square of this, 2.6.
2.2623.
1.6520.
Madam, 1.6523.
1.6520.
Which value? Which value? First tell me which value you're telling. This one
X1.
1.6524.
how come 1.3? Log y you have taken 1.50? Okay, you're again multiplying by 1, capital X. How much is the value?
1.6.
1.652.
652.
4.
4. Next value. See that you do the calculation.
2.0794.
2.079294 you do.
94.
Okay. Next one. Multiply it by x, capital X. This value.
2.8827.
2.8827.
Okay. Now last value, log y, log of this capital Y. Small y.
1.6094.
1.6094. Same it is. How come? 12.5 is the same.
2.5257. 2.5257.
0.5257.
2.52.
57.
57.
Okay. While writing the values, check it. See, you told 1.6094. How can the values be same for log x and log y when the values are different? Don't write them as it is. While writing, we just have a look at the terms, what you are writing, whether you are writing correctly or not. Multiply these two.
4.649.
4,
0,
9,
0649.
49.
4.06.
Okay. Okay. Now don't go for summation of small x. We want only summation of capital X, capital Y, xy and x square. Go for those summations.
Summation of x.
Equal
Yes.
to
4.7874.
4.78. Okay.
Summation of y.
Yes.
6.1092.
6.1092. Others, just to verify the answer, if you got any other answer, just tell me.
Summation y 5.6592.
We'll check the values. Because it is minus here, this value is cancelled. This values will get cancelled, both are same. So check out the remaining values this sum.
First value is same.
Madam,
6.210.
Yes?
madam, when x equal to 1.0986, its square is 1.2069.
This one, one
Yes, ma'am.
point. See this value, other 1 point, how
2069.
much is it? 6069.
No, ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
1.2069, ma'am.
2069. See, I don't know why you make these mistakes in calculators. You're not doing it manually. Should not do this calculation. That's why I'm telling you. See that you'll practice using calculators directly. If you go for the exam without using this calculator, it will be very much difficult for you in the exam, and you will become very much slow. This value
Summation of xy.
Summation of xy
Okay.
9.0805.
05.
9.
Okay. What about this summation y, which is correct? First one of the
6.1092.
that is correct.
6.1092.
Okay. Then tell me summation x square with the new value. Don't take this value.
6.1993, ma'am.
1993. Okay. Hope I have written correctly. Check out them once again. I will substitute in the normal equation. Summation y 6.1092. N is 5.
1994, madam.
Okay. Especially in these exponential curves, no, see that you'll round off correctly. Small, very small difference, even in the fourth decimal place, makes lots of difference in your answer. Because later you'll be taking e power, no, there the value changes a lot. So write correctly. Next one is b into summation x 4.7874 small b. Second normal equation is summation xy. It is 9.0805, and we have sum a into summation x 4.7874a plus summation x square is 6.1994 into we have b. So other two equations obtain the values of capital A and small b.
Madam, A value minus 0.6906.
Minus 0.6906. B
1.997.
Anybody else have got the answer? Yes, anybody
Madam,
else?
p value 1 point at 999.
999, that's almost equal to 2. Others? Then what is B? Where the answer will also change.
Ma'am, A value minus 0.730.
How many values? Minus 0.73.
30.
It's a Shinan's tag.
73.
Minus
7330.
69 minus 0.6930 ma'am. 31 ma'am.
6930. So many values.
31 1.
1. So this is because maybe some of you have rounded off the values, some of you have not rounded off the values. Maybe because of that you are getting the variation, or else we stuck while using your calculator, substituting the values. We have written the other way here. So this is your small a, small b, while solving the equation, and this is your C. Check out whether you are substituted correctly or not. Anybody else? Problem is I have not written the answer for this question.
Minus
Tell me the
0.6.
correct.
Minus 0.6931.
Minus 0.6931.
6931 is correct. I'll write it once again here. A is equal to minus 0.69. Then correspondingly, what's the value of B?
1.990.
1.999.
0. 999. Okay. Somebody told A as 1.990. C. Don't get confused. Which value? Now tell me the value of small a.
B is
Small a.
just 2 ma'am.
How much? Okay, it may
It's
show you
just
2
2,
if you are. Okay, it's almost 2 only. 1.999 means can take it as you, no problem. What about small a value? Capital A you have taken it as log A, so A becomes e raised to A. Which E you are taking again? C there, or shift and E, or alpha E you are pressing, whether you have to press E raised to or not. Check it correctly and tell me the value of small a.
0.5002.
0.5002. Can write it as 0.5 then. Others, is it the same answer? Only one example we did it, already 9:45.
0002 ma'am.
0.002. Then you can take it as just 0.5. Write your answer. Equation of the curve is what you have. Y is equal to A x raised to B. 1/2 x square. You can write like that also. Don't take these values. You are writing the values here. Will you try some examples at home? One example, if I do, there is nothing to be told. Again, only thing that you need to do the calculations correctly. Nothing will be there from my side. .8, 50.110 and 161. This is with a curve in the form y equal to x is to be here. Twenty, 16, 10, 11, 14. See that you will press LAN button when you are using calculator for this. 22, 41, 120, 89, 56. Estimate y at x is equal to 12. I have the answer. Y is equal to 7.173 x raised to 1.9452. Here y is equal to 28491 x raised to minus 2.38, and for this answer is 77. And this, we complete this. Actually, if you don't need any more examples on this, this completes your syllabus of module 4. Very small module, only regression you have, then correlation and this curve fitting. And for your IA, we have this whole module, and along with that, complex integration. .965 x raised to minus 0.676, and the other answer is y is equal to 3.225. Check out this answer. I think we are much out of time. A division students, let us meet again at in the last period. At what time it will be? 11:36, 11:25.